All right, good morning. Today is, what is today? February 8th. February 8th, Monday, 2021. This is Vlog 25. Wow. Quarter 25. I'm at 25. But anyways, it is Monday. Had a good weekend. It was pretty relaxing, actually. Our new bed is awesome. Zinus. We hadn't had a new bed in 15 years, and I don't know why we waited that long. Carrie was talking, and oh my God, it's just we've been hanging out in the bed, and it's so nice. So if you haven't had a new bed in a while, I would highly suggest getting one because it makes a huge difference. I remember I used to get out of bed and I was achy, but now it's not like that anymore. It's pretty rad. So awesome, get a new bed. So let's check the weather today. What do we got today? Let's look some weather. Long Beach. It's been cold lately. Puxtani Phil said there's 2 more weeks of winter, and it's looking like it. 54. Let's see. Oh, wow. I didn't even show it. Here we go. 54 today with a cloudy thing. Not good. It looks cool outside. High of 59. Sweater weather. Awesome. So that's the weather for today. But let's see what happened this weekend. Friday. Actually, I think I did a late one on Friday, but no, I didn't actually. I woke up at 8. First day with new bed. I'm excited. Was Friday. So we got to test it out this weekend. Really nice. Did vlog. Got ready. My 100-day song on that day was Gypsy. That one felt good. I like singing that song. Fleetwood Mac, you guys are awesome. I had oatmeal for breakfast on a Friday. Pretty cool. Oh, I think I had an appointment. That's why. Yeah, I did. Because I had an appointment for tuning and a lesson with John and Pamela, which was cool. We actually, John and Pamela had been previously to one of our Saturday classes, and they had called me up because they have like one of those pans that always tuning and they brought it in for tuning and a lesson. It was pretty good. And actually Pamela was amazing because I got to play ukulele with her. I usually do this when I'm sharing handpan information or handpan. I usually play ukulele with them with the handpan so they can see. I don't know. Every time I do it, it's like they get excited because they can see 2 instruments playing together, and then they play with the instrument, and it's pretty awesome. She was like jumping out of her chair because she was excited to jam with somebody. It was so fun. But it's good vibes. And it was hilarious because we have like a custom pan in there and she wants to get it. So I have to call her today about that. So she might be getting a new pan. Love those guys. Those guys are awesome. John and Pamela. So that was Friday. I can't remember what I did that night. I think I was just chilling. Did we do something? No, I think, I think we had dinner. We had fish tacos that night, and Kaylee brought over her boyfriend out. It's cool. Saturday, I woke up late. Saturday, I was really tired. But I had a Saturday ook workshop, which was awesome. It's always good on Saturday. I did my 100-day song. Actually live this time. That was kind of cool. And then I did Sweet Pea, and I didn't know it was Bob Marley's birthday. So actually today, February 6th is Bob Marley's birthday, and I should have done a Bob Marley song, but I will do one today for his birthday. And actually, Pam and Chris came over last night. It was fun. We hadn't had people over in a while because of quarantine. But Pam and Chris came over. We hung out, had a couple glasses of wine, and just kind of caught up on stuff. And it was good. Pam and Chris are really awesome friends. We get along with them really well. It's like you always have those friends that you're just like, yeah, we just feel comfortable all the time. And we're kind of planning a vacation to Spain. And that's going to be awesome. I want to bring... That'd be cool to go to Spain with Pam. She speaks Spanish, and it would be just fun. But yeah, it was really fun to catch up. Thank you, Pam and Chris, for coming over. It's good to have company. Sunday, woke up late again. Yeah, it's my late day, my rest day. Try to think about things. Actually, in my book, I think I was talking about it yesterday. Christine Stevens that I'm reading right now. It was talking about silence, and actually I think Sunday is like my silence day. I don't want to plan anything. I need time to think, to put everything together. So it's like kind of like my silence day. Made pancakes. Yeah, I like making pancakes actually. Everybody likes my pancakes, but we did not have cinnamon, so it wasn't the original Tim butter fried pancakes, but they were good. I like making pancakes. I like to make them thin, though. I don't know. Some people like thick pancakes, but I like really thin pancakes, crispy on the outside, super good. But that's the way I like to make them. And I don't think I left the house yesterday. It's kind of crazy. I didn't even go outside. Wild. It's wild. Quarantine, man. The struggle's real. And then I did my 100-day song, and that was funny because, again, another song that I've done like a million times, and I messed up. I always mess up on that one chorus, man. Dun dun dun. I always mess up on that one section. So, girl, I want you to know that wherever you go. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, this weekend was awesome. What I learned this weekend is how to mess up on a live show and on your song and just keep going. I've done that before, but it's good to like just be able to keep going. When you're playing a song, it's hard sometimes. You want to stop, like you feel like you want to stop, but you just keep going on the song if you mess up. But that was my struggle for that day. Pretty crazy. What am I doing today? Today I got a couple appointments. Got a couple appointments today. I think a virtual and Pamela. I still need to work on it. This week is going to be dedicated to lessons, video lessons, hand-pan video lessons. So I'll be working on that all week. I need to get them done this week. And then, let's see what else I got to do this weekend. I think we have some appointments. I'm sure we have some hand-pan appointments and stuff. Let me check. Actually, it's late. Oh, no. Kind of late. We have 2 appointments. Oh, good. I do some stuff. Yeah. I think Wednesday I'm at Ook Social. Tuesday, no lesson. Yeah, actually. Just videos. That's actually kind of cool. And then work on my 100 days this week. I'm excited, though. The 100 days. What I feel, this was my first week of the 100 days. And actually, I feel good. I was talking to Carrie about it because she was saying, yeah. No, actually, I was watching all the 100-dayers. Some people are, like, burning out already. It's kind of funny. Well, I get it, but they're burning out already. But I just feel good because I already play a song every day. That's been my routine for the last almost 5 years. It's kind of crazy. So playing a song every day or a different song, I think I got it. I just need to record it, and it's just the process. Get yourself into a robotic mode, kinda. You want to play the songs really well. That's why it's one take, and you can get the real feeling of how I play the song, I guess. But it's been it's been cool, actually. I'm honestly glad I'm doing this because I already see it. It's gonna be fun to look back, not only on the vlogs that I talk about right now, because I'll probably and then the songs. The songs is really exciting me because what I figured it's like the songs of my life. It's kind of weird, but it's really cool. So I like telling stories about why I like that song. So this is fun. But 100 days, Luke. Oh God. I know it's kind of trying, but honestly, it's like I'm doing a vlog every day, and then all I have to do is record it. So it's fun. I like it. But it's just keep on going. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. But anyways, I'm wondering if anything else happened this weekend. I just kind of went through all the notes. Good. Yeah. I think that's it today. Short one. Short vlog. Carrie's over doing a conference. I don't have her to talk to. There's no cats coming around. It's a nice, easy Monday. Hopefully it will be. And it's just time to get to work. Got some work to do. So, let's see. It is February 8th, 2021. This is vlog 25. And I guess I'm out. I'll see you tomorrow. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.